from the Citrus Club in La Quinta, California. I'm Susan Wartell, the Membership Director. I invite you today to take a tour with me of the Citrus Club. The Citrus Club is located just outside of Palm Springs, California. Here at the Citrus Club, we have 3 categories of membership. We have our golf membership, our sport, and our social. Our members have full use of the private Citrus course, the mountain and the dunes courses, which are located at the Quinta Resort. The Citrus course designed by Pete Dye is definitely the members' favorite. It is wall-to-wall green, rolling hills, but of course the greens can be very, very tricky. We have very active men's, ladies, and 9-hole associations here at the Citrus Club, playing 3 days a week. A special perk here at the Citrus Club is our desert membership. With the desert membership, not only does that offer you the full membership here at the Citrus Club, but it will also offer you the full membership to PGA West, which is our sister property right down the street. You will have 6 courses to play from PGA West, 3 fully private. Here at the Citrus Club, there is something for everyone. So for those who are not golf enthusiasts, there is tennis, there is fitness, there are hiking classes, there are yoga classes. If you both golf, we still have all that to offer you. With our tie to the La Quinta Resort, we have 41 pools that are very, very family oriented. So whether the kids are wanting to swim, play tennis, pickleball, have a golf clinic, we have it all here for the families. I invite each and every one of you to experience the Citrus Club. Come for a visit and stay for a lifetime.